Good afternoon. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group. We are talking FX and the British pound. Big day for the British pound as we traded as high as we've seen since mid-February. The pound getting a little bit of a bid on some more positive news. We'll get to that in a second. But right now, as far as trend-wise goes, you got to go really all the way back to the Brexit lows. We've pretty much seen a pretty solid move to where we were to where we are without much of a hiccup, and just continues to show strength. Now that strength could falter if things at the central bank level don't keep things smooth. However, right now from a technical perspective, we've got some pretty clear lines. We're on our way, at least targeting 150 in the pound. If you get back below 130 on a settlement basis, I think that's going to probably mean that the trend is at least paused. We won't say it's over, but paused, and we're right in the middle at 140, 141. So right now, technically speaking, we are still very much in a bullish path. And if you look at what the dollar's done, the dollar has helped the pound. Obviously, the dollar has seen better days, but after today's Fed meeting, could be on the turnaround as well. So it could be competing currencies looking to see who can do better, I guess. With central banks looking to be more hawkish and tighten policy. The Fed obviously has had a little bit of a leg up there, and it hasn't helped the dollar all that much. The pound now starting to gain ground with the idea that with Brexit sort of smoothing out and getting its clarity with the European Union, likewise with any sort of tightening coming from the BOE, that could also help the pound. So a lot of reasons why the pound is going better, but a stronger dollar may slow that down just a little bit. And let's talk about Bank of England, which will meet tomorrow, Thursday. It'll be sometime in the early morning here in Chicago, but it'll look like that they're going to not raise rates. That's not expected, but they are looking to possibly tweak their policy come May, perhaps a little sooner than expected. And they've had some stronger inflation data. They've had some questionable growth data that they're talking about, but ultimately it looks like they're going to start to raise rates sooner than later, which obviously is one of the reasons why the pound is certainly seen higher highs that we have. Likewise, we have to get more resolution on the Brexit situation, because that also could be something that hinders it. So right now, a stronger dollar, questions about Brexit could be holding back the pound. However, Mark Carney and company at the Bank of England could be looking to raise rates sooner than expected. That would be very bullish to the pound. So right now, it all comes down to when they make their announcement tomorrow. We'll have to wait and see. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group.